everyone, Leah here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another video for you. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to go check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and notification bell and you'll always know when we're posting new content. So today what I wanted to show you guys are some really great finishes up close and personal. And you know, they say that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, I think a video is worth probably 1,000,000 words. And some of these, no matter how wonderful the photographs that are taken of them, you really just have to see them in motion. So I'm just gonna dive right in. These are some great finishes that we have here at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. And the first one here is Ultra Emerald, and this is a 27mm Rivoli. And what's interesting about this stone is that it actually has an AB finish on the inside, on the pointed side. So it really has, you can sort of dive right into this Rivoli, but still get that iridescence from underneath. And this is one of the, has a lacquered back, and then just look at that, just all of the stunning colors that you get in that. And I absolutely, we have some other ultra finishes as well, and they are gorgeous, but I really wanted to showcase this one here so you guys could really see it up close and personal, just how stunning this is. And I also wanted to show it to you against black, because black, it really just, it just comes alive. And again, you know, to see these moving, I think really is just, it's, like I said, it's worth 1,000,000 words. So the next one are a color of a Chaton. Chaton is an 8mm stone by Swarovski, and this is Paradise Shine. Paradise Shine is probably one of my absolute favorite finishes that Swarovski does. Just those beautiful bright green and purples and blues, I just think are absolutely stunning. We have it on various sizes of Rivolis as well, but this is on the Chaton. And we've been doing a lot of really fun things with Chatons recently. Just last week we posted a video using 2-hole silky beads and a Chaton right in the middle, and it was for an earring design. So that had a Chaton in the middle. And we also have another video that's on a different way to bezel a Chaton. So these are a lot of fun to work with, but it's not as often seen how to utilize them. So we're trying to do a little more with them for you. And I just had to show you how gorgeous this particular finish is. All right, the next one is a finish called Glacier Blue. This particular finish is over a light rose Rivoli. This is a 12mm Rivoli, and we do have Glacier Blue as a finish over many other colors as well. Just off the top of my head, I know we have it over fuchsia, over light cyan, over silk, over chrysolite. Chrysolite Glacier Blue is absolutely stunning. So make sure to check out our Rivoli selection to see those. But I pulled out the light rose Glacier Blue, and you can see the light rose, of course, through it, but you have this beautiful, cool, cold blue flash that's all over it that I think is just really, really stunning. These are eye catchers when you use them in your work. And this next one here, this is a 14mm Rivoli. This is Rose Peach Medium Vitriol. This is a great example of one that you will not as easily find. If you are familiar with regular medium vitriol over a plain clear crystal, it sort of flashes every color of the rainbow. It's pretty heavy in the blues and greens, but you have a lot of yellow and orange and pink in there too. Well, in this case, it's over the color Rose Peach. So you have a beautiful fuchsia, orange, gold flash in there. And one of the things I really like about some of the Rivolis is that you can utilize the front as well as the back. So let me just turn this around. Some of them have a backside that is just as gorgeous as the front. So this is the back of that Rivoli. And I would definitely be just as likely to do a project featuring the back, or even doing a project that features more than one of these Rivolis and have some facing forwards and some facing backwards. Because in this case, you get that beautiful high metallic shine with the green and the fuchsia. So this is an example of one that's definitely beautiful from the other side as well. And there are a lot of ways to utilize Rivolis where you're actually able to see both the front and the back. So you could certainly make a really fun reversible pendant as well. So we have some really phenomenal Rivolis, 12mm, that are fantastic finishes over a white opal Rivoli. So in this case, this is white opal heavy light vitriol. And this one is just, let me give you a really great close-up. This one is just absolutely gorgeous. It's got these light pale teals and aquas and violets and pinks, but it's also beautiful and hazy because it's with that that white opal as the base. And we have some other really great ones too. We have white opal medium vitral, we have white opal electra, that's a really another stunning one. But I wanted to bring out this one here because I don't believe I've featured this one at all before. So this is again white opal heavy light vitral. And it's also another example of one that is beautiful from the backside. Let me show you that. It has this beautiful icy metallic blue purple in there. That's just really, really lovely to use. It's almost a mirror finish practically, and it's, I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick it up fully, but it really has quite a bit of pink, perhaps more than what's showing in the video, but it is stunning from behind. And the last item I want to feature for you here is another color of a chaton. When I first saw this one in person, I just about died, and I'm sure you know what I mean when you see a bead or a finish or a crystal or something that, the kind of bead where you just sort of start drooling over it. This was one of those for me. This is one of the 8mm Swarovski chatons, and this is in light sapphire shimmer. And it's so just beautiful and icy and bright and sparkly. And it's got that lovely light blue base to it, but some really beautiful deep purple flashes to it. So this is one that I absolutely love. It's such a light catcher, and I love using it in projects. So if you have never seen this one in person, this would be one of the ones that you might want to dive into if you've never worked with a chaton before and you want to start with a really stunning color. This would be a gorgeous one to get you started, because no matter what you do with it, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So again, that was light sapphire shimmer. All right, well, that wraps it up for this video, folks. If there are other rivolis and stones or anything on our website that you'd love to have a video featured on, to see things up close and personal, definitely comment below, let us know. And we'd love to be able to show you more of the things from our website sort of live in motion. If you want to check out these specific items, you can head on over to EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and you can see all of these plus more, and we will link you to these specific products in the description bar below, and I will see you next time.